We are showing you this house and lot for sale located here inside the secured subdivision in San Fernando, Pampanga. This is near SM and NLEX. Let's check it out. Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go. So first, let's talk about the location because this village is highly secured and it's near SNR, SM, Robinsons, and NLEX San Fernando exit. So let's check out the facade of the house. Sa facade pa lang, you can tell that it's a Japandi design. So mixture of wood, stone, and concrete. This area is your two-car carport. High ceiling, wood design ang ating ceiling, well lighted. This is the way to your service areas. Beautiful patch of green right here. And then I like this travertine design na house number natin with your doorbell. It's working. Very nice yucca plant. I would say it's a grand entrance. On the street level, we step up to this amazing large format wooden door. But before we enter, I'd like to point out this really smart use of space because since it's a Japandi home, so shoes off tayo. Kaya naman, they placed your shoe storage here. Okay? Very nice. So our door is, like I said, it's a wooden door with smart lock that can be accessed through your card, your fingerprint, your passcode, or facial recognition. Very convenient. Let's enter. I'd also like to mention that the exterior of the house, wala siyang painted areas. All of these are panels and tiles and stones na para maging low maintenance siya but elegant at the same time. Okay? Shoes off. Welcome. Upon entry, you will see agad the design of the house is very, very luxurious but it's not loud. So very subtle yung luxury. So upon entry, we have a console right here. Very nice. Artwork. You have a lamp right there. Then this area is your double height living area. Very comfy na couches, accent chairs, and this very well-designed console for your television. If you wish to have a television right here, air conditioning is installed. Let's close this up. Okay, you have a standing air conditioner right here. Large windows on all sides. Also this one, this is a picturesque window that overlooks the front of your house and your neighbors and your greenery. Plus, it has a screen. So on colder months, pag gusto nyo ng airflow, you can open it and you'll be safe from insects. Dining area, you have this 8-seater marble top dining table with very nice wooden chairs. And this one yung accent natin sa kabisera. Interesting design. Light fixture right here. Pendant lighting. Parang diffused yung kanyang effect. More windows. And I think this is my favorite so far. Your kitchen. You have this countertop right here, which has a sink. Storage underneath. You have drawers right here. Shelves. Then this beautifully set up kitchen. I love yung finish ng cupboards natin. Ang ganda. Then wala siyang to keep it minimal, wala siyang mga handles. So you have this parang recessed area right here for your access. Very, very nice. You have your stove right here, more storage underneath, and your pantry is right over here. Cool. Now, let's check out this sliding door, which leads us to your daily kitchen. So right here, you have your double door refrigerator, more cupboard space right here. Then, as we enter, marami tayong options for your pantry pa rin dito. You have your daily stove right here, range hood, sink, and more storage underneath. Tapos, meron pa tayong strip light dito for that effect. Now, behind the camera, this door is access to your side of the house right here. So check nyo yung neighborhood, napaka peaceful, 'di ba? And presko, mahangin. Now we have a door right here for your staff room, and they have their own bathroom. Okay? Head back in. By the way, guys, steel door, very sturdy. Let's go back in and take one more look sa ating open living space dito. You have your kitchen, dining area, and your double height living area. Ang ganda, kasi luxurious yung feel, but like I said, hindi siya loud, so very zen and relaxing. Plus we have this faux olive tree, favorite kong olive tree. So I hope we have the real one in the Philippines, no? Now, beside the stairs is a door that is your powder room. Okay, ang ganda ng finish ng wall, oh. Ang ganda ng tiling. We have this sink, a large mirror right here, which your guest can easily access, and a Japanese toilet. Tapos may window pa for ventilation. We can open this up. Tapos meron tayong screen right here. Ang ganda, oh. Okay. Now, ground floor pa lang. Sobrang amazed na ako, guys. This door is set up as an office, but this can be a bedroom kasi meron siyang ensuite, no? So right now, may couch tayo dito. We have a center table. Air conditioning is installed. Track lights. Very nice. Ito multi-purpose. Pwede mong gawin tong guest room or elderly bedroom or music room, videoke room. It's up to you. Meron siyang ensuite toilet right here. Iba na naman yung ating sink, oh. Parang marble design. Big mirror. We have this accent lights right here. Toilet and your enclosed shower with rainfall shower head na branded color. Then we have this window for ventilation and natural light plus a shampoo niche right here. Really interesting. Alam mo, you can tell agad that the house was made really thoughtfully kasi the materials that has been used and yung technique, mafe-feel mo sa bawat area ng bahay. So, we have this wooden stair and this solid metal handrail na very sturdy and minimalist. Upon your mid-landing, we have this large window. So, it's midday right now. Ayan, natural light, very bright sa ating house. Then, upon landing, you will be greeted by these artworks. Na lighted din yan at night. Napakaganda. So let's start with this door right here. Bedroom number 1. Ayan, ang ganda. Very nice wall finish. Air conditioning. Large window. Your bed will go right here. side tables on both sides, and meron tong mga outlets, I guess, na hidden. So, very neat ang ating mga cables, di ba? Another interesting wall design right here. Tapos meron tayong mga strip lights and track lights dyan. Plus, nandito yung ating walk-in. So, we have this space for your closets, built-in closet dito. You have racks and shelves inside. Big mirror right here. Window for natural light. And your ensuite toilet and bath that has your toilet, sink. Ang laki din ng countertop, oh. Enclosed shower with rainfall shower head. Window for ventilation. Shampoo niche. And guys, check this out. Ito yung pinaka-detalyeng titingnan natin kasi yung drain natin talagang sure na ano yung tubig doon. Hindi ko alam paano explain eh. Basta ganun. Gets nyo na yun, guys. Comment down below kung gets nyo ako. Okay? Nice. Onto the hallway. Guys, check out the bright lights that are coming from the windows. So, tapos from here, you can already see your living area below. Cool. Now, this door is bedroom number 2. Another interesting layout. We have this wooden panel right here. Your bed, dito siya. Both sides, we have side tables, air conditioning. You have your track lights. Then, onto this side, we have your walk-in. So, ito guys, sabi ko nga, the house is 95% finished. So, may mga pina-finalize pa sila. This is your built-in cabinets. You have drawers here. Natural light again. And your ensuite toilet and bath that has a large countertop with your sink, your mirror, with accent lights, toilet, and your enclosed shower over here. Same siya, meron tayong rainfall shower head. And may I just say, very elegant talaga tingnan yung 120 by 60 na tiles. No? Para siyang hotel ang dating. Now let's go to the master bedroom. So upon entry, wala pa akong sinisinting ilaw guys. It's already bright. But when I turn this on, mas gumaganda. Okay? Ang ganda. You have your bed right here. Side tables on both sides. Outlets also on both sides. I believe this is a switch for your accent lights. Right here. Ganda. Really nice. Large format tiles. Also, you have this beautiful olive tree na faux. Plus, this one, your master bedroom has its own balcony. From there up to here. With this very minimal design na railing natin, na solid metal, kaya very sturdy siya. Plus guys, if you want to keep it open, you have a screen door. Diba? Press ko lang siya. Kung mga Burmans, maganda yan. Kasi fresh air. Now, yan. Nabanggit ko na ba? Air conditioning and our master bathroom and walk-in closet. Wow. So upon entry, you have this enormous amount of closet space. From here, so dito magkakaroon tayo ng mga racks, shelves, drawers for your things. Soft close. You have a big mirror over here. So check yourself up bago ka umalis ng bahay. Then, from that angle, you already can see the master bathroom that has your shower area right here. Very beautiful tiling. Rainfall shower head, shampoo niche, natural light, And a bathtub. Very, very nice. Large countertop right here with your sink, circular mirror, and of course, your Moderno automatic Japanese toilet. Nag-open yan pag lalapit ka. It has a sensor, and I believe it also has a heater and drying function. So very nice. Try natin. Nice. Very convenient. Once you try, guys, yung Japanese toilet, hahanap-hanapin mo siya eh. Kasi very convenient talaga. Wow. Now let's do the recap. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate every like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty. Together with our director, Ken, we hope to help you find your next property. Until next time, God bless. Bye.